Hello dear students, welcome you once again on my YouTube channel English Tycoon, where you get complete package of English academic and English spoken classes. Dear students, आज के वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ आपसे क्लास 9th की वीहाइव बुक इंग्लिश वीहाइव बुक की फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो है द फन दे हैड Beehive. See, in class 9th you are having two books, one is Beehive, second is Movement. So आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे Beehive और इसका फर्स्ट चैप्टर हम डिस्कस करेंगे द फन दे हैड. ओके, each and everything of the chapter I'm going to discuss with you along with the summary and along with the characters. So let's start without your wasting time. We should go ahead and learn. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं द फन दे हैड, आपकी फर्स्ट वीहाइव बुक का फर्स्ट चैप्टर द फन दे हैड. एज अ चैप्टर का के टाइटल से ही आपको हमें स्टोरी का गेस लग जाता है, आइडिया पता चल जाता है कि स्टोरी किस चीज़ के बारे में है. बट बिफोर डिस्कसिंग दिस स्टोरी कंप्लीट टू स्टोरी वी शुड गो नो द कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि कौन कौन कैरेक्टर हैं और इसमें क्या कुछ हमें पढ़ना है. सी द स्टोरी कंटेन especially there are two main character or 2-3 more characters. So first the main character is Margie, is a girl of 11 years. See, I have written Margie is a girl of 11 year. And one more thing, the story is not of today. Actually this is a science fiction story. And this story is through this story the writer has just tried to tell us what would be the educational system and how would be schooling in 2157. right now we are in 2021, अभी हम 2021 में हैं और बट ये जो स्टोरी है 2157 की है और राइटर स्टोरी से बस ये बताना चाहता है कि क्या कुछ होगा चेंज फ्रॉम टुडे एंड दैट टाइम. और उस समय के बच्चे जो होंगे क्या उनको जब इस एट 100 years बैक की बताया जाएगा कि स्कूल कैसे होते थे तो शॉक और सरप्राइज हो जाएंगे बिकॉज दे हैड नेवर सीन. एंड द कंडीशन, आपको इस बात को इमेजिन करने के लिए 100 year फॉरवर्ड जाने की जरूरत नहीं. एट प्रेजेंट आल्सो यू कैन सी द स्कूलिंग सिस्टम हैज बीन टोटली चेंज. यू पीपल आर स्टडिंग एट होम ड्यूरिंग द lockdown time and many students, those who are in LKG, those who have to go in LKG and play with, they even have not seen the school. If they are admitted, they have taken admission in the school, they are at home and they are studying online, so they don't know what is school actually. So same thing is there if you go 50 year forward from present year, so there would be a big change. ये हो सकता है कि जो बातें स्टोरी में लिखी गई हैं वो अभी ही हो रहा है. इट इज़ हैपनिंग एट प्रेजेंट आल्सो. यू पीपल आर स्टडिंग थ्रू ऑनलाइन, through your system, through your laptop. It may that ki in after 50 year every house have a smart board and from where everybody is studying everything is installed. Anything can happen. So the story is matching with your condition also. Fine. So for example, see last year you were in class 8 and you had not gone to school. आप घर पे थे और पढ़ते रहे लॉकडाउन में. Clear? And you pass out, now you are in class 9th. So see the first character, the main character of the story is Margie. She is a girl of 11 year and see the story you are studying, the fun they had, it is written in the diary of Margie. Margie has written, Margie ने ये स्टोरी अपने डायरी में लिखी थी. जो उसके साथ घटना जो चीज़ें उसके साथ हुई थी उसको उसने अपने डायरी में लिखा था और वो यहाँ पे आपके एक स्टोरी के फॉर्म में प्रिंटेड है. सेकेंड कैरेक्टर is Tom, a boy of 13 year. Actually Margie और Tom दोनों ही नियर बाई साइड बाई साइड रहते हैं और सो दे आर फ्रेंड आल्सो, नॉट स्कूल फ्रेंड. एक्चुअली दे डोंट गो स्कूल, उनका स्कूल घर पे ही है. उनके घर में ही एक उनका रूम है, उनके बेडरूम के बगल में साइड में जो उनका स्टडी रूम है, वेयर दे स्टडी. फाइन. सो Tom is a boy of 13 year and Margie is the girl of 11 year. What is next? I'm just telling. And old book. In this story, you will also come to know about this word old book. There is a book which is found by Tom, who is called Tommy. ठीक है, टॉम, उसको टॉमी के नाम से भी इंडिकेट किया जाता है. सो टॉमी गॉट अ ओल्ड बुक इन द हाउस. ये स्टोरी में आपको इस ओल्ड बुक के बारे में डिस्कस होगा. और व्हाट इज ओल्ड बुक अबाउट? द ओल्ड बुक इज़ वेरी ओल्ड. इट इज़ ऑफ 100 ईयर बैक बुक एंड द बुक कंटेन स्टोरी ऑफ स्कूल. और इस बुक में कौन सी स्टोरी डिस्कस की गई है? स्टोरी ऑफ अ ओल्ड एज स्कूल, मीन्स बिफोर 100 ईयर. क्लियर? What type of school were there, that is discussed in the book. So this is the very surprising point for Margie and Tom both are surprised, but Margie surprised more than Tom. Okay, why? Because Margie don't like school, because Margie don't like school because he think that the school are the school gives a very irritating activities, or schools irritate her. She dislike school because of the way she has been taught, or she has been studying at home. I will tell you further. So remember that. So old book is there. ये बुक किस चीज़ के बारे में? इट इज़ अबाउट स्कूल. और नेक्स्ट इज ए काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर. ये काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर एक कैरेक्टर है. हु इज दिस? ही इज़ द मैन, ही इज़ द पर्सन हु अपडेट द सिस्टम लाइक स्मार्ट बोर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके स्कूल में स्मार्ट बोर्ड होते हैं, आप उसको अपडेट हो रहे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू आर हैविंग फ़ोन, आपका फ़ोन कभी गड़बड़ हो जाता है या फिर कुछ डैमेज हो जाता है उसमें, तो आप क्या करते हैं? इसको मोबाइल रिपेयर सेंटर ले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे रिपेयर होता है. तो सेम थिंग इज हियर. काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर इज अ मैन हु रिपेयर्स द सिस्टम. मैकेनिकल टीचर सिस्टम ऑफ मार्गी. नेक्स्ट सी हु? हाँ, मिसेस जॉन, मदर ऑफ मार्गी एंड ओल्ड एज स्कूल, एज आई टोल्ड यू. मिसेस मार्गी, मदर ऑफ मिसेस जॉन, मार्गी's mother, and old age school. I told you that in this story we will discuss about school which is 100 year before, and the way the students come to school and how human being taught them. This is all in the book given, and these are things were unknown to मार्गी एंड टॉमी. तो ये दैट्स वाई ये बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंग पॉइंट है मार्गी के लिए. चलिए आगे देखते हैं क्या है स्टोरी. दिस इज़ द कैरेक्टर. आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द कैरेक्टर. अभी हम स्टोरी देखेंगे कि स्टोरी क्या है. समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर. सी आई हैव पुट द स्लाइड ऑफ योर बुक. इफ इट इज़ नॉट विजुअल, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू जस्ट ट्राई टू. If you are having book, you can keep by and you can see. I am going to tell you each and everything of the chapter. Fine. So the fun they had. The chapter start with the Margie diary. Margie has written the story you are reading that is written in the Margie diaries on 17 May 2157. It is written the date. Actually डायरी जो हम लिखते हैं तो हम डेट डालते हैं. वहाँ पे मार्गी ने अपने डायरी में लिखा था on that day. See, Tommy has got a book, old book. Tommy has got a old book, and the old book was a very surprising thing. The book was a very surprising thing for Margie and Tommy both, because Margie and Tommy had never seen book, because they study. They are having books, but not in form of pages. They are having book, but in form of e-book, which is in their system, and they are not one. They are having lots of book, which is in form of e-book, and they can read from there. Because the e-books, and one more thing, many different they can note it, and these different in the e-book and in the printed book surprised Margie and Tommy both. Margie and Tommy was surprised to see that the printed book text are at the same place. They are not moving after turning the 2-3 page ahead. If they turn back 2-3 page, they are getting the same text, same word at the same place. This is the surprising point for Margie and Tommy, because in their system, when they study, the words moves away, and that does not come back. So it was a surprising point for Margie and Tommy both. Margie was surprised more than Tommy, because Tommy is little mature. He understand. Tommy age is 13 and Margie is 11, so she is younger than Tommy. So she was more surprised. And so she asks frequent questions to Tommy, and Tommy gives her answer to satisfy. When Margie asked Tommy that what is the book about, then Tommy told the book is about school. The moment Margie Tommy told Margie that the book is about school, Margie got surprised. She told to Tommy that what is there about school to write in a book, or what was the need to write about school in the book, because for Margie school is a very boring place, or the action which is done in the school are awkward, bad and useless. Why Margie have a negative view about the school? Because she had been taught by mechanical teacher who used to give regular classes, continuous classes without any break, and the mechanical teacher used to take text test of Margie regularly, and especially in geography her performance is not good. She is getting less marks in each and every test. So these are the things which makes Margie dislike school. So the moment Tommy told the book is about school, she said that there is no need of nothing to write about school, because school is very worst thing, or a worse place, because they never go school, they always study at home by a mechanical teacher. And there in Margie and Tommy school there is no human teacher, there is a mechanical teacher who never listen Margie. For example, in your school, if you are having problem, you can talk to your teacher and he will let you to rest or to do whatsoever you want. But in Margie condition this cannot be applied, because Margie having a mechanical teacher and who does not listen Margie, because everything is set there. If test is there, then test have to be conducted, whether Margie prepared or not prepared, no matter. So this is the main reason why Margie dislike school. Further, when you read the chapter, you will see when Tommy told to Margie that this school is of not at their type of a school, it is different type of a school which is 100 year back, when in which their grandfather and great grandfather used to go. Margie was surprised. Margie was surprised when Tommy told Margie this thing. And not only surprised, Margie also wanted to know about that. Tommy told Margie that at that time there was a building, there was a place, there was a house, there was a building where all the children from different places used to come and used to sit in a class, and there used to be a teacher who used to teach them same topic to everyone. And Tommy also told that they used to come together and used to go also together. They can talk in the corridor, they can play together also. So when Tommy told these things about the old age school to Margie, who disliked school just before, now started liking school, because this type of school she likes, not the school which she have. She likes the school of old age because there students used to go school and teacher used to teach. And when Tommy told to Margie that in the old age school there was a human teacher, then Margie surprised, because she had never seen a human teacher. So she asked to Tommy, how could a human being be a teacher? And she also added that a human being can do mistakes. Then Tommy replied to Margie that no, the human being can be a good teacher. And because Tommy told to Margie, because his father is having as much as knowledge as their teacher, mechanical teacher. So when Tommy told all this thing about the old age school, Margie had interest and she wanted to know about old age school. But while Margie and Tommy was discussing and reading the book at the same time, we are in the center of the chapter, at the same time Margie mother, Mrs. John, called Margie for the class because this is time for class. And then Margie requested to Tommy. See now, you can see this now. Margie has been called by her mother for class because this is her class time. So she requested to Margie requested to Tom that can she read the book after the class. Tommy told to Margie, yes they can. Yes they can. Wait a second. Margie told to them yes. Tommy told that yes they can read that after that. And after that Margie went in the class, her class, where his mechanical teacher was waiting for her. And the moment she sat for study, there a pop-up came out that kindly submit your assignment. And this is the thing, yesterday homework, and this is the thing Margie don't like about her school, that she had to submit that she has to submit the homework whether she has done it properly or not. So Margie submitted her at the time. Margie submitted her homework in the slot, but she was thinking about old age school, that how happy the children were in that school in their great grandfather and grandfather's time. She was thinking that the children in that time could discuss with each other if they are having any problem. They can discuss also the topic which had been taught by the teacher in the class, and if any problem one is having in that time, they can consult with other friend to solve the problem, which because Margie does not get these facility or these thing in her class, because she has to attend her class at home by sitting in front of a monitor, sitting in front of system, and where no students, no human teacher like old days. So these are the surprising thing for Margie, and Margie was just thinking about this. So in this way the chapter got finished, and Margie was lost in the imagination of old age school. I hope you got the summary of the chapter completely, and if any problem you have, you can ask me. One more thing, I have given explanation of you the summary in the English, dear students, because you have to write the answer. So it is better for you that you should get all the explanation in English to English. Even if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I will reply to your question definitely, and I will try to solve your problem. Let's see what is next. These are the questions which are not visible, but I am telling you. See, very simple. A few question you can directly create. What the question can be? The first question, what is the age of Margie and Tommy? Second question can be, why Margie disliked the school? The question which I am asking you, you have to think the answer yourself. These questions are also given at the back side of your book, so you can see the question there also. What was the thing found by Tom one day, and why it was very interesting for Margie and Tom? The question can be like this also, does Margie like her school? If yes, why? If not, then why? Next question can be, what are the things that Margie like about old age school? So many questions can be created. So if you know the summary and characters, then you can give any answer. These questions are very simple. You can give the answer. The chapter is also easy. It's not difficult. Some question I have written here. This is for your practice. You can see, read the question and think about answer, and if you are not getting answer, you can write in comment. I will definitely give you answers. See what is the first question. Why does Margie don't like her school? There should be don't. Margie don't like her school. Second question, what has Tom got one day? As I told you. What type of school do Margie and Tom have? This third question. You can think over this. Fourth question, what are the things which is not good about the mechanical teacher? Next, question number 5, what is different between Margie's school and old age school? This question can be also asked, can be created also. And sixth question, see, does Margie long for old age school? Then why? As I told you, same thing it is. Why does Margie like old age school? See, the question can be created from any how, but the answer is same. So if you know the summary, if you know the characters, you can do it easily. Okay, so I hope, dear students, you got each and every point which I explained you. Even if you have any doubt, अगर आपको कोई confusion हो तो please do comment in the comment box so that I can know and I can solve your problems. Okay, then keep watching. Many more are to come on this channel, so be in touch, keep watching, keep sharing, and keep like and subscribe the channel, and keep on studying, because there is no solution of hard work. You have to study and you have to give time, then only you can learn. Nobody can get knowledge without studying. So best of luck and good luck. See you in next video.